Anshu, what are you doing today?
Today we will learning some maths activity.
Okay. Open your book right now.
Yes.
What activity are you doing today?
Tall and short.
Okay. You have to tick the taller one and cross the shorter one. So start doing it.
Okay.
Tick the taller one and cross the shorter one.
Short cross and tick big.
Very good. Second one.
अच्छा टिक किया ना?
हाँ, very good. Do it.
Cross the shorter one and tick the big one.
Very good. Next.
Next. Cross the shorter one and tick the big one. Tick this one.
This is show me.
Yes.
Very good. Now the next page. The next page you have to circle the short object. Short object.
शॉर्ट को ही कर रहा हूँ, बिग को नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Very good. Done?
Yes.
Show me. Very good. Turn the next page. What you have to do in the next page is the long one and the short one.
Long and short.
Yeah. Tick the long one and cross the short one. Okay? Start doing. Tick the long one and cross the short one.
Okay. इसको टिक करना है.
Tick the long one. Which one is long?
Long is straight.
Then tick the long one and cross the short one. Very good. Next. Yes, very good you are doing. The next page, tick the long one. Tick the long caterpillar.
हाँ.
Do it. Which one is long caterpillar?
Yes.
Tick the long caterpillar.
Yes.
Long caterpillar.
मैं ऐसा करूँ?
This is the short. You have to do the short.
Okay, short करूँगा मैं.
Short girl. Tick the short one.
Yes. टिक. so सबको टिक ही करना है.
Yes. Short one. Short one. This side, long one. Long one. Very good. Very. Now show me your book. Very good.
Today we have learned taller and shorter. Also we have learned long and short. We will learn math activity activity more is the next video. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.